the gods are real, like the Greek gods,
like the ones you learned about but weren't paying attention to. Well, they don't pay attention to you either, especially if you're their kid.
The gods have godly things to do, godly places they need to see,
Godly plans they need to make that don't include me. Yeah, the gods are real, and they have kids, and those kids have issues.
Daddy doesn't love me and mommy is a god.
Mommy can't protect me, and daddy is a god.
Mommy is too busy and daddy is too busy. Busy, 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 busy being a god. Yeah,
You never listen to me, you never listen.
you never listen to me, you never listen. No,
You never listen, but now you're gonna listen, 'cause it's time you heard our side of the story.
it's time you heard our story. Look! I didn't wanna be a half-blood. I didn't ask to be a hero seeking praise. Being a half-blood, it's scary. It mostly gets you killed in very nasty ways. I didn't wanna cause trouble. I'm less a player and more the played. And honestly, I'd totally be fine if I could make it to the next grade. It wasn't dirty socks or my stepdad. It was danger that I smelled. The day it all went down, the day I got expelled. Maybe you don't know what a half-blood is because your life is normal and happy and not constantly in danger. But my life, let me set the scene. We were on this freaky field trip. That's when the story should probably start. We were geeking out on ancient Greek at the New York Metropolitan Museum of Art. Stopped by all the statues and learned about the gods. The runner and my substitute, Mrs. Dodds, hadn't done nothing wrong, wasn't rude, hadn't rebelled. On the day it all went down, the day I got expelled. The Greek